Dora the Explorer, Dora's Spooky Halloween. Hola, I'm Dora. It's Halloween, and I'm looking for a costume. Will you help me find one? Great! Let's see. I can be a doctor, or I can be a cat. I can be a police officer, or I can be an astronaut. I can even be a cowgirl. Yeehaw! There are so many things I can be for Halloween. Look, it's Boots. Hi, Boots. Boots is dressed as a vampire. Boots, your costume is so spooky. Hey, I want to wear a spooky costume too. Let's go look for one. Come on! Hola, Diego. My cousin Diego is a pirate. He's even carrying a macaw with him. I'd like an animal friend to go along with my costume too. Aw, it's a little black cat. Now I have an animal friend. What can I be for Halloween that's spooky and has a cat? Vámonos! Let's keep looking. Here's Tico. Tico is a firefighter for Halloween. Look at his shiny red helmet. Maybe I should have a costume with a hat too. Where can I find a hat to go with my spooky costume? Look, the Scarecrow has a hat for me. Thank you, Scarecrow. Look, it's a broom. Maybe I can add this to my costume. My costume is spooky and has a cat, a hat, and a broom to go along with it. Do you know what I am? Yeah, I'm a witch. I'm a witch for Halloween. Thanks for helping me find my costume. Happy Halloween! Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and share, and follow me on Instagram and Twitter. And for more Halloween stories, check out my Halloween playlist. And for more Dora the Explorer stories, check out my Dora playlist. And if you enjoyed this story, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Thank you.